And so Jesus says, listen, that doesn't mean you don't go out there. It's a dangerous world, and you might get your heart broken. Still go. Really? Yeah. It's a worse darkness to close yourself off. And God might be telling us, somebody here, this might be the right time to put yourself out there in a new way. Maybe within the relationship you already have, or with a new relationship, or with an opportunity to serve God in a new way. And you're like, or what if I'm not well received? Yeah, you might not be. Put yourself out there.